can't begin to tell you how excited I am to be moving in this direction. Good morning. Good morning. I wanted to go ahead and take these braids out of my hair. And as I was taking them out, I realized that I almost look like a lion. Yes. And I really like the way that it's turning out. And I also wanted to come before you and tell you about my first day experience with my online Sisterlock class. It was pretty exciting. I was looking forward to the class. And then I realized I didn't have the login information. I thought it was my fault at first. I went back and I looked at some of my emails from Sisterlock and I didn't have login information. I was just baffled at first. The Sisterlock class lasted about 3 hours. I expected 2, but I believe that I was in the mid-session class that I should be taking on next Sunday, and I was placed there because the online sessions or their network was pretty much down for the individual classes. And so I think that I took a class that I should be taking next week. And if that class comes up again next week on Sunday, I'm going to take it anyway. I'll go ahead and accept a double dose because I believe that if that happens, it happens for a purpose. And I am going to walk in it. I'm going to follow the direction that God leads. You guys, I'm in a Sisterlock class. Can you believe it? I am in a Sisterlock class. Pretty soon I'll be saying Jean G is a Sisterlock trainee. And I am available to establish your Sisterlocks. The class on yesterday, it was not intense. I missed an hour of class, almost an hour, because by the time I got the email to log into the Zoom, almost an hour was gone. I think they started at 10 o'clock and my email time was 10:41. That was a result of some, I guess, miscommunication, problems with their network. But Dr. Cornwell did say that they would be granting us some grace because of the issues that came as a result of the online sessions not being available when they were supposed to be. She presented things in a easy to follow, and her attitude was one of complete understanding to what we were dealing with. And I really appreciate it. Placed into groups. I also met some phenomenal, I'm going to call them phenomenal women. And we shared as we worked together, gave each other tips. I was glad to meet Charmaine, Marvinice, and another young lady. Her name was Erica. And they serve in different capacities. It was no more than 5 of us in the group. And that was great. And we worked on our parting and just the beginning of creating the grid. Now that was pretty intense, but I did get some positive feedback from the Sisterlock that was facilitating or checking on our group. I did not know that my interest in natural hair would take me in the direction that I'm going. And therefore, I give all credit to God. Yes, because I trust Him. And His word says, trust in the Lord with all thine heart. Lean not to your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He'll direct your path. And He is directing my path, and I am going to follow. I am going to walk in it. I just wanted to share with you my excitement and my experience on my first day of class. I also will be sharing everything that I can, because you know there are things that I will not be able to share with you, but I will share all that I can, so that if you're considering taking the Sisterlock Consultant class, then maybe something that I say will be able to encourage you to move into that direction. But right now, I'm trusting, and I'm moving, and I'm walking in the direction that God leads me. Yes. I don't think God told me to put all these braids in my hair, though I always feel that way when it's time to take them out. I'm going to go ahead and finish taking out these braids so you will see exactly what they look like. And I'm liking this. I will wear this hairstyle for a few more days. I want to remind you that my lock jewelry comes from Simone Bailey, and she has an Etsy shop. And if I can find the link, I will post it in the description box so that you can check out her lock jewelry, because she has the jewelry for traditional locks as well as microlocks and sisterlocks. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends and my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God. How could I not love Him? He's guiding my steps. He's guiding my steps. Yes. Enjoy your day, and thank you for watching.